Hey everybody. So, we are going to install our patch uh, onto this newly installed ESXi box. So, let's get right to it. So, what we're going to need is we're going to need to upload the patch to the data store. First, what I'd like to do is go into this data store and let's browse the data store. Data store here. Let's create a directory and we are going to be patches. Patches directory, right? No. So we got the patches, patches, patches directory right there. And we are going to go and download this program called, what is that? WinSCP. WinSCP. We have this winscp.net. Gonna grab that, and we are going to grab that. So there we have that. Let's install it. I already downloaded the patch that we will be applying. So, and we'll install this WinSCP program. Install for all users because why not? License agreement, read that, accept it. Typical installation installs default blah and blah, and that is also fine. And that is also okay, and that is perfect. And we are going to finish. And let's open up WinSCP. We want the protocol to be SFTP. So we got 10.192.172.50. Our root and our password. And log in. Accept this key. Yes, please. And yeah, okay. So we're in the root of our ESXi box, which is here. Did we get disconnected from SSH? No problem, we can just reconnect. And we are in. Can be disabled. Unless we are here. Print working directory, we get right there. Okay, perfect. So we are going to go to our file systems, which is our data stores. We want to access it via SCP, so we're gonna go to VMFS, volumes, and we have data store 1, which symlinks us to the proper location. And there's that patches folder we just made. We're gonna go here and we can go to our downloads and we have our patch right there. And there, transfer in the background. No, that's fine. Okay. It's gonna transfer our data. Okay, so we got our patch. So we could just click on this path over here and just copy that instead of manually going to the path by going to CD and then typing in the path. We can just go CD and paste the path by right clicking, and we are there. And there's our patch. So next step, we want to check what the profiles are in this patch that are offered. So what we're going to do is, uh, let me just make this full screen. There we go. Okay. Wait a minute. This is, yeah, this should work. Okay. So, ESXi, ESXi, CLI. There. We have that. Clear. ESX, ESXi, CLI. And we want software. Software. Profile. Oh, wait a minute. Software. First, we want to see what profiles are offered. So, software, uh, sources, sources, profile, D, and the name of our patch, the file name. So, I mean, we can grab it from there, from here, so we don't have to type it. Or I believe we could just, there, we can just tab complete that because there's only one file in that directory, so it'll tab complete to what we actually need. ESXi, did I? ESX, oh, my bad. ESXcli. There we go. No, yeah. ESXcli. So display, what is this? Available commands. Let's profile list. Profile and usage software sources profile. And we need to. This is I'm doing this the old-fashioned way. So let's try this list. Unknown command. Set proper syntax over here. Oh, what about software sources profile and list. What did it say before? Get display details about image profile from the depot. List all image profiles in the depot. Something new for this version for me? Okay. I'm sorry. So, Mm, let's actually put this guy in maintenance mode first. And enter maintenance mode. Are you sure you want to put this maintenance mode? Yes, I do. Most certainly do. And uh, so, all right. Let me try it this other way. So we are going to just install this patch. So without profiles. So we are going to hmm, profile. Uh, yeah, wait a minute. I was doing it correctly. Ah, profile list. Profile list. Could not download deeper. Maybe full directory path. Hmm. There we go. That's what I was looking for. Okay, so we want. This is the previous patch. SC partner support. This is build number. What is the difference between SC and C? I think we're looking for this C right here because that is the latest version. So this is the patch we want. This is the profile we want to use. So we're going to go ahead and install using this profile right there. So we are going to so what are we gonna do? What you would need to do? You need to execute a command something like this: esxcli software sources profile list -d and the full path of your update patch. And then you're gonna choose which profile you would like to install. So this is what we are going to be using. We're going to be using ESXi 7.0 update 1C 3255 5551. Okay, so to install this patch using this profile, we're going to do ESXi CLI software profile update -d, and we need the full path to um, our update patch, and then we need to indicate the profile. Profile is going to be this right here. Your patch, depending on which patch you're installing, these list of profiles will be different, but you need to select the most appropriate one. And then we are going to profile p updates. Okay, enter. And again, I'm using ESXi CLI instead of ESXCLI. Wow. Okay. ESXCLI. There we go. Um, the update has completed successfully, but the system needs to be rebooted, of course. Reboot required equals true. So we are on patch. This is our build number. Let's just take a note of that. This is what we're running now. And we're gonna notepad, and we're gonna paste that. So now we can reboot it here or reboot it through the command line. Since we're already there, we might as well reboot it here. And now we wait. I'm completed successfully, so we get disconnected, of course. And we should be getting kicked out of here, and we were. And now we can ping it until it comes back. Then we can connect to it. Let's wait for it. Oh, yeah, -T. That way it won't give up after trying 4 times. If you do ping on Linux, oh, it's back already? Okay, that's fast. And we will exit out of this, and then we are going to refresh this. And of course, we need to relog in. And we are patched. This is our image profile updated. Ah. So we went from this to this, and that is exactly what we wanted. Everything looks okay, and we can go ahead and proceed to the next step. So I'll see you in the next videos. Thank you for watching, and I hope this was useful to you.